Partner portals are shareable, personalized websites you and your mortgage partners can use to showcase property sites. These portal sites are unique to each partner, and you can configure the tools and options available in them uniquely for each user in your BNTouch CRM. In the user menu in the upper right corner of the screen, click Administration, then open the Partner Portals tab. Only administrative users can access this area of the CRM. Please contact your administrator if you need help and do not have access. Here, you'll see a list of all users for your BNTouch account sorted by name. For each user, a series of menus and fields will appear in a row to the right. These options will allow you to configure the default settings for each user's portal sites created for their partners. First, the Email Notifications menu allows you to choose whether the user will receive an email whenever a partner submits feedback to them via the contact link on their portal site. Partners will need to follow a secure link to access their partner portal. If you want a user's portal sites to also require a password to access, choose Yes in the Password drop-down menu. Partners can then use an individual password sent to them by the user to log into the portal. If you want the user to have a default password that each of their partners can use to log in, you can enter one here. Partners can then use either their individual password or the default one to access their portal. The next set of menus can be used to determine what sections of the partner portal will be available for that user's partners. Enabling Participated will show each partner a list of their participated transactions in their portal site. Loan Status will let the partners see the status of these transactions and receive notifications when a record progresses to a new step of the loan process in your CRM. Documents will let them see shared documents for their participated transactions. As long as a CRM user has checked the Share with Participants box for a document, the partner will be able to see and download documents you've requested of clients or attach to their record. They can also upload any files they want to submit to you if this feature is enabled. If e-signing is enabled for your account, the partner will be able to see the status of a client's electronic signature. New Lead will give your partner a fast, simple way to send new leads directly to your CRM. This will create a new borrower record in your Mortgages tab in the Lead marketing sequence. If My Info is enabled, the user's partners will be able to update their contact information via their partner portal and upload photos and logos for their communication with clients. Property sites will allow partners to create, maintain, and share pages for properties using the portal. They will be able to generate individual web pages for each property, upload pictures and add features and descriptions for it, link clients to the web page, and create brochures using the data they add. The Custom News and Custom Welcome options apply only to legacy users of our previous portal sites. These options allow you to set default messages for when partners access their portal sites or check for mortgage news. If enabled, you can enter the text they will see into the News text and Welcome text fields to the right. If you make any changes to fields on this list, they will only be saved if you click the Update Information button below. If you cannot see all of the fields in this list, you can use the scroll bars to change which fields display. The username and account type will still be visible when you do so.